all-new 2023 Z remains consistent with its exhibition roots, with a strong 6-chamber in the engine, a front midship, back tire drive plan that puts the motor farther back in the case for upgraded balance, and a suspension that causes you to feel permanently set up to the street. It's a genuine games vehicle in the purest feeling of the word. 400 twin-turbocharged pull. At the core of the Z is a 3.0-liter V6 twin-turbocharged 24-valve motor. An aluminum combination square and heads keep things light, while a water-cooled intercooler assists keep things with cooling. An optical speed sensor carries power with turbine speeds up to a bewildering 220,000 revolutions per minute. Energy starts in the engine. The new Nissan Z is the most remarkable games vehicle ever to wear the Nissan Z identification. In particular, you'll appreciate 400 strength from a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 motor made from a lightweight aluminum-amalgam block with refined contacts all over. That low motor weight is met by a front mid motor. This format accomplishes unmatched deftness, and with cutting-edge monotube stuns and expanded skeleton inflexibility, corner cutting is a Z-strength. Releasing the 2023 Nissan Z Pull is exciting, and the cockpit is an innovative encounter more than ever. It's an all-new inside planned in view of the driver first. While it's all new, you'll view as exemplary Z motivations like a notable triple check unit bunch for execution readouts. When is the 2023 Nissan Z release date? A particular 2023 Nissan Z delivery date has not authoritatively been affirmed. However, as per producer gauges, we'll see it show up at showrooms like our own at some point in spring 2022.